Wagwan YouTube, you know it's your boy Click Man, and we're back with another reaction. Today we're gonna be looking at America's dumbest criminals. I know you guys see clips all around, whether it's Instagram, any form of social media, of people doing dumb stuff, like stealing candy right in front of a police officer, like shit like that, man. Like people do some dumb shit and they think they're gonna get away with it. So that's what we're gonna be looking at today, man. If you guys are new to the channel, you're free to stay. Hit that sub button, man. Turn on post notifications. Drop a like. Comment down below. Let me know which one of these is your favorite one. Which one of these guys do you think is the dumbest, man? And I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.
Oh, I would say that's a violation of some kind.
I was thinking about buying it.
I don't think you ought to buy it, man. It's a piece of junk.
Is it smoking too bad?
Yeah, I couldn't even see. I couldn't even breathe.
Really?
Yeah. I thought I was going to die.
My bad, sir.
Okay. All right. You've been drinking a little bit tonight?
Yeah, I had
Be
one
honest
beer,
with me, man.
I had one beer, man. Hell.
Just one.
Because I can smell you from here.
Okay, I'll probably deserve this one. Hell,
All right.
Nigga look like he ain't got
You
no
alright,
neck.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
You sure?
Yeah, just a little bit.
What happened there?
Intoxicated.
You're just a little bit intoxicated?
Yeah, just.
Did you piss on yourself?
Yes, sir. I
Man.
can't step out of the car and do it because y'all are.
Well, yeah. Well, the other guy took a piss right as I was pulling him out of the... It was still steaming on his pants. I said, dude, did you just piss on... Yeah, I pissed on myself. You told me to get out of the car. Another fine automobile for you. Ended up blowing a .128 and a .133.
That's
Well
all.
over the .08 legal limit.
From West Virginia?
West by God, Virginia to you, sir. You fuck with that.
No, thanks.
Yeah, you already did.
I did?
You already did.
No, I done
Take
messed
him
up,
to jail.
didn't I?
I swing for my tits. Just for
These type of crackheads, they're dangerous. These are the ones that have like the strength of gorillas. See how he's moving? I would not fuck with this nigga. I would not stay close to him. The baton would have to come out still and keeping at a distance, cause I ain't fucking with this nigga.
nothing better than you.
Okay.
And you by God remember that.
All right.
Because you all we remember that.
It's up here.
What's
I
up,
did
there?
it.
All right.
If I did, he deserved it.
If you did, he deserved it.
Believe me,
I hear you.
if I wanted to, these cuffs wouldn't stop me from taking everyone out of here with a Kanjujitsu flip trip.
What's that?
I'm just gonna put together what I think he said. He said a Kanjujitsu flip kick. Damn, that shit sound dangerous though, don't it?
Don't worry about it. I ain't gonna play that.
Oh, why you telling him if you don't want to worry about it, man? I'll be
I've
worried.
been under the influence of alcohol.
I'm not under the influence of.
I've been drinking water.
How can you tell me?
That's how you said. What type of water is that? Where you from drinking? What type of water is that? That shit has you different, bro. I need some of that water. It sounds like he's mellow.
That I have been drinking alcohol when I've been drinking water.
Why do you smell like alcohol?
The water's acidic. That's probably what it is.
You got it going. Come on, get out of the car.
I mean, you took that gun out kind of slow.
Give me your hand.
Why would you open the door without looking in the car first?
2101, all units.
Why are you sitting here in the car, passed out with a gun in your hand?
The gun is mine.
Okay.
I'm not trying to bother nobody.
Our driver didn't have a seatbelt. You see him fidgeting around the front seat. So you're telling me that's not your balls? Listen to me. I've searched thousands of people. There's a big difference in what you can feel as a foreign object and manhood, okay?
I'm embarrassed to say it, but it's a pad that holds that I'm leaking. I leak. It's a pad down there.
It's a pad because you're leakage, right?
Oh,
So you're
Lord,
telling me that's not yours?
I had to try it, man. That's the
In
only
this
thing I
business,
think of.
you hear a lot of things I've never heard.
Yo. So, at first, the man said it was his balls the officer was grabbing. Then he said, basically, he wears a diaper. And then at the end, he says, I had to try. Yo, this nigga real, and he funny for that shit. I'll give it to him.
I heard that one. I tell you, you almost had me fooled.
I did.
Yeah, I mean, you were pretty adamant that it wasn't any drugs. It was a man pond because you leaked.
Yeah, I'm trying something, man.
Why do you have a condom in your door pocket?
What's wrong with that? Oh,
Well, did you have sex in the
a
car?
used condom.
And you just put it in your door pocket?
I forgot about it.
I can't unhear that.
Just do me a favor. During this traffic stop, don't touch the condom because I got to hand stuff back and forth, so I really don't want your manly fluid on me, all right? These are all kinds of condoms in the center console. They're not used, but it's like a stash.
This nigga a serial condom collector.
You the ladies, man.
It feels good,
Sex.
Oh, shut up. You ain't getting no bitch. Yo, why this guy lying?
I was just talking to him, that's all.
Well, there was a whole lot more than talking going on.
He just got a little angry because I said if the other guy was here, Charlie, the guy that I've known for 20 years, he would give me a break on the price because it is my birthday.
Now, is all this worth going to prison over?
No, sir.
It's more than likely you're going to go back. You're going to be violated. Happy birthday.
Oh, this nigga
This
disrespectful.
officer right here.
Yes, sir.
Well, I asked her for her identification. She provided me initially with a bank slip.
So, like, how long have you been a police officer?
She identifies as a check, bro.
Nice. I worked at Boston Market for 3 years.
Nice.
Yeah, no, like rotisserie chicken.
I'm sure those were comparable experiences. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Don't swallow it.
A baggie.
No, it's not just a baggie. It's got powder in it. Look at that. You think you just bought a baggie? It's got powder in it.
I didn't buy that.
You didn't? Oh, you didn't?
But they giving drugs away for free.
You driving down the street?
Yeah. Wasn't doing nothing wrong.
What do you mean you weren't doing anything wrong? You had cocaine in your mouth.
It was
That's
given
pow-
to me.
that's
I was
powder.
just gonna throw it out on the street,
Why?
chew it up. Cause there's kids around, man.
Oh, okay, so
You know what I mean?
Oh,
at least you're concerned about the
that
kids.
boy a hero. He a hero.